Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to join Explorers Club Atlas Earth. Joining the Explorers Club in Atlas Earth is basically a progression milestone mixed with a subscription paywall. So it's not something you can just tap and instantly unlock on day one. First, you need to collect at least 5 badges in your profile, which you can get by purchasing location-based badges around the map using Atlas Box. Once you hit that requirement, you'll be eligible to join the Atlas Explorers Club through their web app rather than directly inside the mobile game. From there, you'll need to subscribe to the membership, which is typically priced around $44.99 per month, sometimes shown as 49.99 depending on your region or conversion. After subscribing, your accounts gets upgraded benefits tied to the club, which are meant to boost progression and rewards over time. The key thing to remember is that this isn't just an in-game button. It's a hybrid system where gameplay unlocks eligibility, but the actual purchase happens externally through the web. So in short, collect 5 badges first, then go to the web version, subscribe, and you're in, assuming your wallet agrees with your ambition at the exact amount. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.